Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on or start the Garmin PacePro feature on your Garmin watch. And Garmin PacePro is quite useful if you want to improve your racing time basically, or racing performance, because it's a dynamic, grade adjusted pacing tool. Basically it adjusts your pacing according to the elevation of your track. So if you have changes in elevation, it will dynamically adjust the pacing on the route, basically. And like I said before, it will be quite useful to improve your racing performance. And I'm going to show you how to start it. So let's get started. So to start the Garmin PacePro, we need to first set up a strategy for it. And to do that, you need to open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with your watch. So let's open the app. In the app, you need to tap on More, and then tap on Training and Planning. And then select your, or rather select the option called PacePro Pacing Strategies. Here I have already existing one. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna tap on Create PacePro Strategy. And we have select course or selected distance. So you can basically create a distance ones or the course one. I'm going to use the course one. Here we can tap on create course. Let's select running. And we have custom, so you can basically create your own, or automatic, so you can select the starting point and it will create a course for you. I'm going to use the automatic, but you can play with custom if you want to. I'm going to name it something like, maybe this, let's say distance, let's leave distance at 1 mile, then leave direction north. And once you're done, you can tap on next. It will bring you to the map. The map will zoom in at some point, and then you can tap on the map at the point you want to start, and it will create the route for you. And then you can tap on save. And once it saves the route, you can check some details of it. We have the distance, we have the total ascent and total descent, we have the graph for the elevation, also the maximum and minimum elevation, I believe. You can check the driving directions if you want to. You can turn on or off the notifications for it, or we can't, never mind. We can change the settings right here. Okay. And once you're done creating your route, you can also tap right here on this menu, and we have edit, duplicate, add to favorites, share, and delete course. I'm gonna just leave it like this. So I'm gonna go back, and here I have my course. And now to upload the course to the watch, you can tap on it and tap on this icon right here. Usually it appears right after you create the course, but if you missed it, you can tap on this icon right here. And we have devices we can select. I'm gonna choose my 970. As you can see, it says after I sync the watch with a phone, it should upload to my watch. So I'm gonna go to the watch, open the controls menu, sync the devices together. Is there a sync icon right here? I don't see it. So I'm gonna open the controls menu, add control, and look for the sync one. Add it. Okay. And now if I go back and sync the devices together, like this. You can also sync the watch via the application. So if you go to the home page, you can tap on this icon right here to sync the devices together. Let's wait until it's done syncing. And after it's done, it should basically upload the plan or route on our watch, or to our watch rather, my bad. This is taking a while for it to sync for some reason. I'm gonna tap on the icon right here again. Hopefully that will solve the problem. No, it won't. So I'm gonna come back to you once it's done, because it's taking a long time for no reason. So once it's done, I'm gonna come back to you. Okay, it's done syncing. And now that we created a strategy, the course, we can use it to create a plan for our Garmin PacePro. And to do that, let's open the activity menu on our watch. Select run or trail run because it only works on those two. So I'm gonna open the run, and here we have training. We can select it and then go to Garmin PacePro plans, and we can tap on create new. And as you can see, here we have our courses, and we can select one of them, the one that we created, and we have goal pace or goal time. Depending on what you want, you can select either the pace as a goal or time as a goal. Let's say I want time. We can adjust the time for our course, the goal for the time basically, and then we can press the check button to confirm, like this. Here we have our preview of our goal and our route. We can press the start button, and then we can tap select or press the start button to use the plan. You can enable the course navigation if you want to. So we can press the check mark. Okay. And now the plan will be, the Garmin PacePro will be added to our run. So if you scroll down right here, we have view PacePro splits. We have some splits right here. You have the courses, and you can see the elevation and stuff like that. We have the loading map. It might not load the map for me because I'm in like not easy accessible location for the GPS, but no, here we have it. The map is working. And what else? We can stop the PacePro if you don't want it, but once you decide to use it, you can start the workout. We have new pace, and now here we have our course. It's telling us to go, and if you unlock the screen, you can go through the map. You can also press the back button right here to exit the map and scroll down through the different data pools, and one of them will be the map, and here we have our PacePro data pool. Okay, and of course we can start the workout if we're done, like this. And once you're done the workout, it will basically close the PacePro as well. And basically that's how you turn on the Garmin PacePro on the Garmin watch. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.